CatUU Petra site, which I added here, and here is the read the PDF file link. So if the students click on it, they are presented with the PDF file. You can see it right here. Let's return to our role as a course creator, and let's turn editing back on. And let's look at an example activity. You have lots of options here. Don't be afraid. Most of them are quite useful and easy to use. So if you go to the assignments, which basically means that you give the students an assignment to do, they prepare it, and they have several options to prepare it. In an online text, they write it. If you choose this, then you can name the assignment. I won't do it now. And you can give a description and set some things here. You can leave them in standard as well. And then if you click Save and Display, a new, which I won't do now, a new assignment will appear below the PDF file, and it will say, if you click on it, you can enter a text directly into your browser, and this text gets sent back to you as a teacher, and you can read it. If you click Upload a single file, which is what I will want to do now, I give the assignment a name, write your own plan for a perfect murder. Well, let's shift this around. This is more an instruction than a name. Let's call it perfect murder. Write your own plan for a perfect murder and upload it here. Write your own plan for a perfect murder in a Word file and upload it here. So this is the basic instruction that we give here. You have the option to give the grading, which can be important if you want to give points for the uploaded document. If you want to grade it, then you have the option of giving grades until points until 100, or you could simply choose 10 instead if you want to grade it from, if you have points from 1 to 10. Basically any option is possible here. You can set the date from which this exercise should be available and when it should end. So you can set a last date for submission. If you want to set this, make sure that you pick the right date and the right time, because Moodle is quite strict on this. If you prevent late submissions, people cannot submit after this date. If you don't need this, then you can switch it off by clicking here. Allow resubmitting is if you want to allow the students to create a better version if they have some more ideas. Email alerts to teachers, default is no. I think this is a good default. Maximum size of the file, you can set that to, let's say, 5 MB if it's a big task. And the group mode. Notice that the group mode is defaulted to separate groups. That it has to do with the enforcing the group mode, which I showed you in the first video, if you remember. So if I set the enforce mode to yes, so every exercise is set to separate groups by default, and I cannot change it here. I could change it if I had set the course group setting to enforce it no, but I set it to yes, so now it is enforced and I cannot change it here. Yeah, again, if you need more information, make use of the question marks that you can see all over the place. Now I will click Save and Display, and we will see what happens. It takes some time, a little patience. There was a networking error. I hope this doesn't happen too often. Let's do it the same way. Perfect murder. Now, pardon me for entering this. Blah blah blah. 5 MB. 10 points. Oh, let's make it 20. No given date, and save and display. So this worked a little better here. So you can see the text is here, blah blah blah. The perfect murder. I did some typos here. If I go back to T1, we will see how it looks. So now I have the read PDF and I have the perfect murder. And if they click on here, they're taken to a possibility to search their own computer for the file that they produced. Maybe let's take some simple doc file. Let's take the bingo doc file and click on open it, and they can upload it. So this is the student's way of doing it. They upload the file, and you can see this is taking time again, and then the file uploaded successfully. The students can continue, and you can go back. You can see the bingo doc here. This is visible for you, it is not visible for the students, obviously. So this is basically how you can create your own assignments. There is much more that you can do, and I hope to show you this in a later video. So let's see how it looks for the student as the end of the video here of my tutorial. The internet connection is quite slow. So this is how it would look for a student. Read this PDF file, they click on it, it opens and shows the file, and if they click the perfect murder, they are given the chance to upload their own file. So I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a later video. Bye bye.